This ginger sauce is addictive. Japanese ginger pork rice bowl. $90 grams of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 grams of water to the rinsed rice. Add a half tablespoon sake for tastier rice. It's optional. Mix well, then cook the rice. $50 grams of onion. Slice into half moons. $10 grams of green onion. Chop the green onions. $30 grams of ginger. First, peel the skin. Grate the ginger. Separate the ginger juice into a different container. 100 grams of thinly sliced pork loin. Score the surface of the pork. Score the opposite side as well. One tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake. Add the ginger juice. Mix well. Toss the pork in this marinade. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. Grated ginger. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Half teaspoon of sesame oil. A dash of white pepper. Half teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the fry pan thoroughly. Add the sliced onion. Saute the onion until soft, then push it to the side. One teaspoon of cooking oil. Add the pork. Cook the pork. Once the pork is cooked, add the pre-made sauce. Cook it thoroughly. Simmer the remaining sauce until it thickens. Put rice in a bowl and top it with the cooked ingredients. Pour the simmered sauce over it. Garnish with chopped green onions. 今日の料理は生姜焼き丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.